question 22. Well, anything to the power of 0 is 1, full stop. So 3e to the power of 0 is 1. Right, part B. So we've got this is to the power of minus a half. So first things first, deal with the minus. To undo a minus, we just flip it over. So the 64x to the 6 becomes the denominator, and the 25y squared becomes the numerator. So we've flipped this over, and that has sorted the minus part of the index. Right, anything to the power of half just means you square root it. So work along square rooting each term. Square root of 25 is clearly 5, as in the square root of 64 is clearly 8. Now, y times y gives us y squared. So the square root of y squared is y. And x to the 3 times x to the 3 gives us x to the 6. Remember, you add the powers when you're multiplying. So working that backwards, the square root of x to the 6 is x to the 3. Right, part C. Now, in order to add or take away fractions, just like when we're dealing with non-algebraic ones, we need to have a common denominator, the same number on the bottom. And the easiest way to find the common denominator is just to multiply the two denominators together. So our common denominator is going to be x minus 3 times x plus 3. So what have we had to do to this first term to get the denominator to be x minus 3, x plus 3? Well, we've had to multiply x minus 3 by x plus 3. So to keep it equal, we've also got to multiply the numerator by x plus 3. That's why it's 5 lots of x plus 3. Similarly with the second term, the denominator needs to become x minus 3, x plus 3. It's already got the x plus 3, so we have to times the denominator by x minus 3. And similarly, we have to keep it equal, to keep it unchanged, we have to also multiply the numerator by x minus 3. So minus 4, be careful of that minus 4 times x minus 3. Now, from now onwards, it's pretty straightforward. We just simplify the numerator. So we have the claw, 5 times x and 5 times 3 is 5x plus 15, and minus 4 times x is minus 4x, and careful, minus 4 times minus 3 is plus 12, and minus times a minus is a plus. We then gather our x's, 5x minus 4x is x, and we gather our normal numbers, 15 add 12 is 27.